That is our order. Guys, these guys are so good. So this is the kitchen. I don't want to spend much time in there, but guys, the food has been magic. Okay, look at this. So here we have some puris.
Hi Gavin, I have a wonderful place for you to try out South Indian food. I have been there before and it is amazing. You will love it. So why don't you try to visit that place? Lovely flavors, really authentic ones, South Indian food. You should try it out.
Good morning, guys. Welcome or welcome back to our channel. I'm Gavin and I met Manel for a function recently, and we exchanged numbers, and I was like, we take our recommendations very seriously. So I picked him up from his place in the morning and we are off. Manel, are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's go.
Let's have some dosa, medu vada and
Yes, and some, let's see,
Let's
whatever the flavors are waiting for us. Let's
absolutely.
explore. Yeah.
Let's go. We've made it to the spot, guys, and thanks Manel for riding the bike. It was a short ride, and there's this little chapel here, and just opposite the chapel is the place. It's called Michael's Cafe, and if you look inside, it's inside someone's villa. So we are going to go in there and try some authentic South Indian breakfast.
Yes, indeed.
Let's go. So it's this gentleman's house, and that's his place. Hi. So that's his. He's running the little cafe over here, and we are going to be seated right here. So it's a very small place, and yes, we have got a spot here. Now it's time to go through the menu and see what we can order. We have a little menu here, and I just like the view from where we are seated. Look at that. There's a beautiful chapel, and it's very quiet right now because it's early in the morning. It's close to around 8 a.m. Alright, now let's go through the menu. So first section is beverages, tea, coffee, and I like the rates here. The rates are very reasonable. South Indian delights, idli vada, that is what we are here for. And there's uttapa as well, and then there's egg dosa as well. That is interesting. And once you flip over, they even have a section that is dedicated to omelets. So that's really nice to see. And besides that, even on the wall over here, I could see multiple options. So there are some options for, I'm guessing, kids. There's Horlicks, Bonvita. Let me go a bit closer. Yeah, that's it. It's always good fun to interact with our viewers, and I got to know from Manel that he's been watching our videos since quite a while now. So Manel, we've ordered so many things. Do you remember what we ordered?
I think I can recollect some few items.
Okay. It's going to be exercise for your brain.
Yes, of course. I think the vada,
Yes. Medu vada.
mendu vada, yes.
Right.
Then cheese masala dosa.
Right, cheese.
Right,
Can't
okay.
stay without cheese.
Yes, indeed. And the other one is
The podi
the podi
idli.
idli. Okay.
Yes.
And the other one is egg burji with toast.
Egg burji with toast.
Yes.
Correct.
Yes.
And we've gone for 2 teas as well. Did we miss something?
I think we missed something.
Even I think we missed something. Let's
Anyways,
see when we get the order.
We'll discover it.
Yeah.
Once everything is here.
It's a small menu, but lots of interesting things in there. So we've ordered quite a bit, and Manel and myself were talking about the little dish called appe. How awesome it is. Unfortunately, he's not there here, and the owner Michael, he's from Tamil Nadu as well. So he said that right now because of the LPG issue,
Yes.
they're cooking on firewood. But so they have reduced the item, but in future they will come up with more items as well. And Manel has eaten here, so he's mentioned the food is really good. So just can't wait to get my hands, because in Kalangut it is so difficult to find
Yes.
authentic South Indian food, right? Let's see what we get. That is our order. Okay, so first of all, let me tell you what all I know. This is the coconut chutney, this is the sambar, and this looks like some other interesting chutney. So it's a good thing that they have given this huge container. And this is the interesting bit. I really love this, the idli and the podi, and there's ghee there. This one here is medu vada and idli, so it's a combo. And this is some sort of a dosa. Let's open this and see what's in there. So yes, wow, just look at the filling in there. Like there's so much potato and cheese, so it looks really nice, piping hot. And what's this one? This is the podi dosa. Wow. So it's a bit of a surprise for us as well, because I don't think we ordered this one. We don't know.
No, I think that's the missing one. I
The
guess.
missing one, yeah. Alright. So let's go, let's dig in.
Oh yes.
Look at how much of chutney and sambar is in there. First of all, let me get my hands on the coconut chutney. So all our viewers who are watching from the UK and the other countries, this India has so many different varieties of chutney. This one here is coconut chutney. It is made from coconut obviously, and then there is different kinds of greens in there. There's chili, there's coriander, a lot of things. And as you can see there's a little bit of tempering as well of the mustard seeds. Okay, and now this is the sambar. So this is like gravy of different veggies. What I like to do is I like to mix the sambar and the chutney. And anyway, I don't have an option here to put it at the side, but I think I'm good for now. Okay, and now is the interesting bit. So those of you who've been watching our videos from the time we were in Pune might have seen us have this at Idlicious. That was one of the best podi idlis I've ever had, and that really is the benchmark for me. So let me dress it up really well, and I'm going to set one up for me and for Manil, because this is Manil's first time as well having the podi idli. Sorry Manil, it's going to be a bit messy, but yeah, when it's messy it gets tastier. Okay, so the first look of the idli is very nice and it feels very good, soft. Authentic podi flavors, guys. Just what I've had in Pune, just what I've had in Tamil Nadu and even in Kerala. Perfect flavors. Okay, let me ask Manil for his opinion. Manil, I know this is going to be a bit tough, but if you don't mind, can you take a bite of this and tell me what you think? Because this is the first time. Have it little with the chutney and the sambar. Interesting, right?
Interesting.
So this podi chutney is made from peanuts and different sorts of things, and look at the dressing of ghee, guys. If you love ghee, I don't know if Manil likes butter, ghee, cheese.
No, I like butter. Yeah, all three of you.
All three. So first one, okay, I'll take this from you. So first dish has been really nice. Like I'm very impressed. Like I said, the idli is perfect. It is fluffy. Superb. Manil seems to be enjoying his medu vada as well. Manil, don't mind, can I grab a little bit of the medu vada? I'll break from here, okay? I just want to try a little bit of everything. So medu vada feels nice, feels crispy, feels very good, and of course you need to drench this in a little bit of chutney and sambar. Wow. You don't see that expression on my face very often. It is too good. Like authentic flavors. Manil, awesome recommendations.
You're welcome.
He knows his stuff. Very nice, very nice. And look at this. We're not done yet. We are not done yet.
There's a new arrival.
There's a new one, yeah. Uttappa. I think we had ordered for this one also.
Oh.
We had ordered Uttappa, okay. Wow, guys. This is the kind of place that will make your day. Literally make your day.
Morning.
And there we have Burji coming in as well, and tea. Wow. Burji, yes.
With toast.
With toast. Just look at all this stuff. Okay. And there you can see, he has some customers as well coming in. Amazing, guys. This is amazing. What a find. Now this is what you call a hidden gem. Not the one that, Influencers keep screaming on reels like hidden gem, hidden gem. This is the real hidden gem, guys. Don't believe me? Go on YouTube, search this place, you will not find this place. Okay, back to the dosa. Very nice, huge in size. This is literally like as big as 1 foot. Again, the podi chutney in there. Perfect crispiness on the outside. Perfect flavors, balance of flavors on the inside. I'm sorry guys, it's going to be a bit messy as I mentioned earlier because we ordered so much and we have to shoot the video as well. Okay, now back to this side, and this is the cheese masala dosa. Manil, have some of it as well. I'll take a bite from you. So anything with cheese, guys, this is my weakness. If you want to kidnap me, just show me cheese and I'll keep coming after you. Okay, let's go for this one. Superb, guys, superb. It's the kind of food that really makes me want to get up from my place, because look at the spread that we have. It's starting from here and it's going all the way till there. So Manuel seems to be enjoying his food as well, and I have to come this side because of the burji, guys. Look at the burji. So it's got everything in there, tomatoes and then onions, I can see chilies, very nice looking masalas. Let's break this apart. The toast feels very fresh, feels very crispy. Very nice flavors, is spicy, and Manil has pointed out to some chutney here. So what's this? There's some interesting looking chutney here. I think this needs to be had with the dosa or the idli. Don't really know, but I'm going to try it with the tomato uttappa. Again, the quantity, the size. This is a bit spicy, but look at the dressing, the tomatoes, the coriander. It's got everything, guys. Literally the perfect spot that you can find in Kalangut for South Indian breakfast. Without a doubt, this has become my number one spot. And again, Manil, thanks to you.
You're welcome. I think that this place holds the title for the best South Indian.
For the best South Indian.
Kalangut.
Of course, yeah, without a doubt, guys, because in Kalangut we see so many dum biryani bowls everywhere. Finding genuine and authentic South Indian food is difficult, but yes, we have found that for you guys. And last but not the least, finish this off with the perfect tea. So I really like the fact that he's not made it overly sweet. Perfect balance of flavors, guys. Again, let's show you what all we have, and obviously we will try our level best to finish as much as we can, but most of this will be going home as well as takeaway. Guys, these guys are so good with their food. I have to come in here and personally thank the ladies here. They are the ones who are preparing this. So hello, hi. So she's the one, your name, sorry? Violet. Okay. So Violet ma'am has been preparing all this for us so good. I ate all this food in Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Pune. Really authentic flavors. Thank you so much. Thank you. So this is the kitchen. I don't want to spend much time in there, but guys, the food has been magic. And he has added one more thing from his side. Let me show you what it is. Okay, look at this. So here we have some puris as well. So look at how fluffy the puris are. Oh man. I know it's going to be good. I don't even need to review it because the food has been top class. And by the way, this was shot after I was done with the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video, and until the next one, take care, stay safe, and stay positive.